everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be showing you some chicken that you can easily make. It's really good. So here we already have one on the stove cooking. We have some steak spices, even though it's chicken, and we have some other ones. So I believe you season this with curry and a bit of salt. You can add anything you want, but honestly I just prefer adding more of these. So we have some tongs here, and we have this one that's still cooking. It's really good, especially you can eat it with anything, with fries, rice. I think this would be something easy and good to teach your kid how to cook, especially, but only with adult supervision. So it's cooking currently. We're going to add a few more. And honestly, I have to tell you, I was always scared of getting burned by the oil. And I have been burned by the oil multiple times. Ooh, it's jumping. I'm going to keep adding some more. Let's just take it tight so it doesn't fall. Sorry, the oil keeps burning me. Okay, I tell you, I am still currently scared of the oil. The oil does hurt, but then my mom says from all her years of experience that you just get used to it. But after a while, it just stops to jump. You can see that looks nice. And you have just enough time to just turn over. Sorry. Okay, I'm trying to space them out so the air can flow. Okay. So they also cook really quickly, so this is good if you're in a hurry just to cook something. Okay. So this one, as you can see, is not actually fully cooked because you can see it's still raw inside. I think the other one is still cooking. This one is new, so we're just gonna let that cook a bit. I tried to indicate which one you did, which one you cooked first, or then you just know how much one has to cook. Yeah. The chicken's a bit slippery. Yeah, maybe this is ready. We can just look it over again. It looks really tasty, doesn't it? Okay. The oil still jumps, and if you're scared, don't worry. Especially if it's your first time. I was extremely scared. So anyway, my mom is just puffing in a bit here. Okay, so she's just pressing down to bring the oil cooked inside and outside. If you do not want to raw chicken, unless you like eating raw chicken, which I don't think you do. As you can see, still the inside is not fully cooked because it's a bit pink. So we're just gonna still let that cook. So guys, now we'll be adding some steak spices. This is the steak spice we are using in case you want to know. So we will be just pinching a bit, throwing it on there. Don't literally throw it or else you're gonna get some also in between the little crevices of the the stove. You just want to make sure each chicken is seasoned correctly. If you want it to be very salty, you could add salt before with the curry. Or if you want it to be like a bit salty, then you can just leave it in the steak if that's what you buy. Because this one is already salted. But you can buy non-salted steak spices. So I'm gonna add a few more. Okay. One tiny stick here. Okay. So that is all. Just gonna put this back. That's because it isn't finished. Because we added a lot. Okay, so that is all for today. We're just gonna make sure this is nicely cooked with all the steak spices. If you want to try this at home, please tell me in the comments what you think it tastes like. We're just gonna start putting some on this plate here. Try to grip it correctly. I have actually dropped some before because I was a bit too nervous of getting burned. As you see, now the oil is not jumping too much. You see, guys, you can easily make it slip. Oh, this one's already breaking up. Ooh, chicken. Okay. And we have this tiny one here. I'm just gonna rub it in the oil a bit. Okay, so that is good. I'm going to lower the fire. Sorry. And now I'm just gonna put this in another one so the oil goes down. And that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy your chicken.